With just potatoes and sausages, your dinner is ready! Let's start our recipe by cutting 1 kilogram of potatoes in half, then into dices. Put them in a pot, cover with water, and let cook for 20 minutes. Now in a pan, drizzle some oil, add 1 chopped onion, and saute to sweat the onion. And you guys, this is a very budget-friendly recipe. Super quick to prepare. Try it at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now add 700 grams of sausages, 340 grams of tomato sauce, 100 mils of water, and stir. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir and let cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put the pan aside. Our potatoes are now boiled. Take them off the stove, drain the water, put the potatoes in a bowl, and mash them. Take a moment to let me know where you're watching us from so that I can send you a big hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now season the mashed potatoes with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and stir until smooth. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe, then like the video and comment below. I love sausages and potatoes. Now in a baking pan, carefully place the sausages. Now add the mashed potato and spread it with a spatula. Cover with grated cheese. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And our recipe is done! Ready to be served and enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!